Today, we are learning about automation and how it can make anyone's life simple. Taking a process and automating it sounds difficult, but where the process takes the most amount of time is where we can see that automation is quicker and more efficient than manually doing it. Here shortly, I'm going to be discussing about two different styles of mills. One is vertical and one is horizontal. The horizontal mill is automated and the vertical mill is not. Learning about automation, you need to keep an open mind about ideas. One, any idea can be a good idea, and two, there are no bad ideas. Why automation has improved manufacturing. Automation plays a big role in today's manufacturing. Automation can improve simple or complex tasks in everyday manufacturing. Automation is the process of where technology applications are used to decrease human input. If automation didn't exist, then there would be longer production times and longer shipping times. Comparing automation to manual work can show us the benefits of using automation over standard employees' manual labor. As we can see, there is a vertical mill with an operator. A vertical mill is a precision tool that is used for shaping and fabrication by removing material. The operator is responsible for selecting the right tooling, RPMs, and setting the X, Y, and Z coordinates for the machine. Then the operator uses the X and Y axis to manually maneuver the table to slowly feed the part into the cutting tool. Once complete, the operator turns off the machine, puts it to a stop, then undoes the vise. The part may or may not be complete depending on if other sides need to be milled. On the other hand, CNC mills have brought milling to life by automating the process. All the operator does is load the part into the machine and then press start. It's as simple as that, leaving the operator time to load and run multiple machines. But every once in a while, the machine has to be probed to find its zeros. This is all part of the operator's task in maintaining the machine. Producing multiple parts is a lot more efficient than one at a time. CNC milling does everything a regular mill can do, but it's all automated. Typically, the CNC needs to be programmed by an engineer, then loaded into the machine for it to run properly. Automation can improve productivity, cut costs, reduce errors, and create a standards for steps in a process. Because of these reasons, automation in manufacturing helps manufacturers create their products in a timely manner. To begin an automation process, it all starts at the base of wondering how we can improve the process. After the brainstorming ideas, we can start to implement and try these ideas to see how much the process improves or doesn't improve. The final step is to brainstorm again with the best solutions and finalize it in the process. Automation is the simplicity to life. I want to challenge you to create your own automated process in your home, and not only to benefit you, but also simplify your life. For an example, if you created an automated can crusher that would detect the can, crush it, and then dispose of it properly, whatever can make our life simpler is considered to be automated.